In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Person ID or Organization ID in Pipedrive. This is really helpful if you ever need to reference a specific contact or company outside of Pipedrive, or when you're working with imports, integrations, reports, or support tickets. Having the ID visible makes it much easier to be precise, so you always know you're talking about the exact same record. Let's start from your main Pipedrive dashboard. First, decide whether you want to work with people or organizations. If you're dealing with contacts like individual customers or leads, you'll go into the People section. If you're working with companies, you'll go into the Organizations section. Both areas work almost the same way for this setup, so choose whichever one you need first. At the top of the screen, click on the People tab if you want person IDs, or the Organizations tab if you want organization IDs. This will open up your list view, where you can see all of your records in a table format with columns like name, owner, label, and so on. Now look toward the top right corner of that list. You should see a small gear icon. This is your column customization or list settings button. Go ahead and click the gear icon. This is where you choose exactly which columns you want to display in your list and in what order. Once the customization panel opens, you'll see a search bar for fields. In that search bar, type the word ID. Pipedrive will filter the available fields and show you an option simply called ID. This is the internal unique identifier that Pipedrive uses for each person or organization. When you see the ID option in the list, check the box next to it to enable it. As soon as you select it, Pipedrive prepares to add that column to your current view. If you want, you can also drag it up or down in the column order so that it appears closer to the left or right side of your table, depending on how often you plan to use it. After you've checked the ID box and arranged it where you'd like, look for the Save button in that customization panel and click Save. This step is important because it locks in your changes and updates the list view. Once it refreshes, you'll now see a new ID column in your people or organizations list. From here on out, you can quickly copy these IDs whenever you're setting up automations, building integrations, or sharing precise references with your team.